What's up, guys? This is Alex Chu. Today I want to tell you how to make imitation clam chowder, okay? If you want to save lots of money on making clam chowder, imitation clam chowder. But before I go into that, I just want to tell you my name is Alex Chu. I'm the guy who invented physical immortality rings. These are the rings that you put on your small fingers during sleep. You wear them, you don't age anymore, you become physically immortal, okay? If you go to my website, which is livemuchlonger.com, I provide testimonials from Amazon customers. Most of them give me 4 stars or 5 stars for these immortality rings. So go to livemuchlonger.com if you want to stay physically young forever, okay? I'm not going to go into detail of how you make clam chowder because that's unnecessary. Everybody knows what clam chowder is. There are lots of videos on YouTube teaching you how to make it. But if you want to make clam chowder under $2, okay, for example, you want to make a whole large bowl of clam chowder, carrots, celery, and bacon or ham, potatoes. If you want the cost to stay below $2, then I'm going to teach you how to make imitation clam chowder. Clam chowder without clam meat, without clam, okay? You know how lots of times you go to, you make clam chowders, right? I mean, unless you live right beside the bay. You live right beside the harbor. You could buy like cheap, fresh clams, okay? But then usually, most of the time, Americans, they don't have the custom of eating clams. So if you don't live anywhere near the harbor, you usually get your clam from a supermarket. I mean, they comes in cans, right, in tin cans. And those clams, they're not fresh. So it doesn't matter how good a cook you are. If you use like tin can clams, trust me, it's not going to taste like, clam chowder that you just ate at a San Francisco's Fisherman Wharf, okay? It's not going to taste like that. It's going to taste like so okay restaurant clam chowder. Like if you go to a normal restaurant, like Long John Silver or something, or anywhere they serve like fish and chips, it's going to taste like that, because they're using cheap clams, or they're using like clams that comes out of the can, right? It comes out of the can. You know what? You can save the money, man, because clam chowder is actually a luxury delicacy. It's actually very expensive. Just to make like a pot of clam chowder, okay, you have to buy at least one small can of clams, right? That, if you go to the supermarket, you check it out, it's at least $4, like $3, $4. It's actually very, very expensive, just to make a small pot of clam chowder. Damn, $3, $4, and then that does not include, like carrots and bacon and all, all the other stuff. And the milk, I know how to make it for under $2. I'm talking about milk, bacon, everything included. No clams, $2. Here's the secret. It's called Hondashi. It's like Honda, the car that you drive, Honda with a she. You can find this in Asian aisle, you should they should have it in every American supermarket. You find this in Asian aisle. This is Japanese bonito soup stock. They put the stuff inside the miso soup, And if you open it up, inside is just, yeah, I'm right, it's just like 2 packets of this stuff, And I'm not going to strip it open. It's just granules. They're like granules. And then you just scoop it with, use a teaspoon to scoop it, right? Usually, okay, if you make a pot of clams, clam chowder, let's say a pot this size, let's say a pot like this size, you usually just dump 1 teaspoon or 1.5 teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon. Yeah, that's enough. It will make the whole clam chowder. It would make your soup taste like clam chowder without the clam. You understand? So basically, yeah, you make your clam chowder soup whichever way you make it. You watch other YouTube videos teaching how to make clam chowder. But then instead of adding, a can of, the clams, you add this. You add like 1 teaspoon or 1.5 teaspoon into your clam chowder. Okay? And then And then the soup will come out tasting just like clam chowder that you buy in a restaurant. It tastes just like that. I just made some. See, I just made some clam chowder, and yeah, I won't be able to tell the difference. I made this clam chowder using Hondashi, only Hondashi, no clam chowder, no real clam inside. I won't be able to tell the difference. I'm serious. I mean, if somebody feed me this imitation clam chowder, I eat it, and I won't be able to tell if they have real clams inside or not. But I can say it's not as good as the ones that you buy at San Francisco Fisherman's Wharf, okay? Because those are fresh clams, you understand? And those are specialty restaurants. They really know how to cook. They use fresh clams. Everything is fresh. But if you're a housewife, you just want to impress your husband, you understand? You buy clams that comes in a tin can. No, you can just save your money. You might as well just buy this. And this you can make a lot of clam chowder with just this, man. This is cheap. This stuff is only $2.79 that I spent, you know. And it comes in a lot. It's 2 big packets. And I think this has like at least 50 or 60 teaspoons. You know, you can make like, I don't know, 50 clam chowders, 50 pots of clam chowder with just this. And that's a lot of savings, man. That's a lot. You save a lot of money by using just this, you know. So anyway, that's all I want to say for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. And yeah, bon appetit. I'll see you next episode. If you at least leave a comment or like or subscribe, thank you.